Morning, welcome to your 10 a.m. daily weather briefing. We have some mostly sunny skies out there currently. Saw a little bit of cloud cover this morning. It's currently moved off the coast, seeing temperatures rebound into the 50s already as of 10 a.m. We did see temperatures in the lower 30s last night. In some locations, Salisbury saw 32 degrees, Wallops 35. So a chilly morning to start your Tuesday. Overall, we'll see fairly mild conditions today before a cold front moves through for the afternoon hours, and that cold front's going to usher in some much colder conditions for our Wednesday and Thursday, with some windy conditions expected this afternoon as well. Taking a look at our sounding from this morning, freezing level at 4,900 feet. We see winds increasing with height this morning, and quite a jet across the region at 25,000 feet at 142 knots out of the west-southwest. So very strong jet across the area in the upper levels this morning, but overall seeing a fairly uniform sounding with our with our wind speed and direction fairly uniform out of either the west-southwest to west-northwest, and increasing with height as I've mentioned. So taking a look at our current surface analysis, we have this cold front across the eastern Ohio Valley into the western Mid-Atlantic region. It's going to be moving through our region today. That's going to provide us with the breezy conditions as well as the slight chance of a light rain shower for the afternoon hours. Seeing some lake effect snowfall across the Great Lakes and northeast states this morning, and going to see possibly some lake effect snowfall or enhanced lake effect snowfall along the Appalachian Mountains today in the Mid-Atlantic region. Not going to see anything like that here at Wallops, just a slight chance of some light rain showers. So taking a look at our current satellite imagery, you can see we did have that cloud cover that moved through, and it's currently off the coast, seeing some cloud cover across the Appalachian Mountains this morning associated with that cold front. It's going to be moving through the region for this afternoon. Taking a look at the HRRR model for our slight chances of those light rain showers for the afternoon hours. Here is 1 o'clock this afternoon. You can see a possibility of an isolated rain shower. Then 2 o'clock and 4 o'clock this afternoon. Those times were an hour too early, so looking at 4 o'clock this afternoon, and with those rain showers in the region for this afternoon, and possibility of those lingering until about 5 or 6 o'clock this evening. But overall, only slight chances, about a 20% chance of that rain shower across the region, and if it does occur, it's just going to be some light sprinkles. Seeing a little European model for the day. This is this morning, and then moving in the afternoon hours, seeing the bulk of the spotty rain shower activity across the northern Mid-Atlantic region today, seeing that snowfall across the Great Lakes as well as into the Mid-Atlantic northeast states, into the Appalachian Mountains today. As we move into our Wednesday morning, going to see high pressure building in from the west. That's going to give us a cold morning. Inland locations will most likely see freezing temperatures tomorrow morning. We'll see temperatures near freezing at Wallops at 34 degrees for an overnight low. And then for Wednesday, going to see a chilly day, much below normal. Temperatures only reaching the mid-40s for highs. And then for Thursday morning, most likely going to see freezing temperatures across the region, with temperatures possibly in the upper 20s across the central portion of the Delmarva Peninsula, and the lower 30s at Wallops, with the expected low around 30 degrees on Thursday morning. Then for Thursday afternoon, going to see temperatures moderate some in the lower 50s. Overall, you'll see fairly tranquil conditions across the region as we move into later portions this week, with only some weak boundaries moving through across the area, possibly a backdoor cold front moving through on Friday. But overall, going to see mild conditions across the region. No real chances of precipitation for the Wallops regions. We move into the weekend, seeing here's Sunday, seeing area low pressure moving well north and west of our region, high pressure in control, and not really seeing much activity in store as far as rainfall or lightning chances across the region. So taking a look at our risk chart for today, we'll have that slight chance of a rain shower from about 1,300 to 1,700 this afternoon, with the best chance most likely around 3 or 4 o'clock. So that's about a 20% chance of seeing a sprinkle during that time period. We'll see a high of 58 today, a low of 34 tonight. Windy conditions this afternoon, northwest 15 to 20, gusting to 33 this afternoon. That wind advisory most likely will be issued late this morning into and through the evening hours, possibly lasting into the early overnight hours tonight. I'm moving to our 24-hour terminal forecast. Going to see VFR conditions today. It's going to see some cloud cover moving in around 5,000 feet this afternoon and possibly a ceiling around 5,000 feet. Overall, going to see that slight chance of the rain showers in the region from 1,300 to 1,700, but overall, going to see that VFR condition continuing until and through tomorrow morning. Our tides are currently normal, and looking at Wednesday and Thursday. Wednesday, partly to mostly cloudy, breezy, and cold, a high of 45 degrees. We'll see winds gusting around 23 to 24 knots, so can't rule out a gust up to 25 knots on our Wednesday afternoon and early afternoon and morning hours. For Wednesday night, mostly clear to partly cloudy and cold, low of 30, and for Thursday, mostly sunny and chilly, a high of 53 degrees. Green chart for Wednesday night and Thursday. So for the next 7 days, we'll see that slight chance of a sprinkle this afternoon, then otherwise dry conditions through next Monday. Or through Monday with partly cloudy to mostly sunny conditions and chilly temperatures for Wednesday and Thursday. 45 for Wednesday, 53 for Thursday, with that first freezing low at Wallops at 30 degrees for Thursday morning. And then we'll see temperatures moderate thereafter, seeing in the 60s for Friday, Saturday, Sunday, and Monday. Temperatures warming slightly each day, and we'll see temperatures up into the upper 60s by Monday of next week, and continued with partly cloudy and mild conditions. Well, that's going to complete our 10 a.m. weather briefing. I hope everybody has a great day. We'll be back tomorrow morning, 8:15 at 10 a.m.